Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the anchoring function in formulas along with the sumif. So here I'll start with typing in equals sumif parentheses. So for the range I'm going to take the customer because I'm going to do year-to-date customer sales, comma, criteria is going to be our customer, and then our range of sum cells is that, close parentheses, hit enter. And if I copy this down, we can see it only references to above, so it's not getting me year-to-date information. So what I'll do is I'm going to anchor the A2 by hitting F4 or putting the dollar symbols in the A2 cell and the D2. Hit enter. And now when I copy this down, we can see it's doing a sumif on the chowder cup for this range and this range. And that's how you create a sumif using the anchor. Thank you for watching.